Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, Microsoft Teams installation has failed. Type Microsoft Teams on browser search bar. Click Microsoft Teams. Click Download App. Click Download Teams. Type 7-zip download in browser search bar. Click Download 7-zip. Click Download. Open downloaded file and install. Click Teams Windows, click Show in Folder. Right-click Team Executable File. 7-zip, extract to Teams Windows. Open extracted folder. Right-click Teams version number file. 7-zip, extract to Teams version number. Open extracted folder. Open lib folder. Open net45 folder. Right-click Teams.exe file. Click Send to Desktop Create Shortcut. Right-click Teams Shortcut. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.